What are communities on Zenler? Well, communities are groups that can be set up that are tied to your site or your courses or membership areas on the platform. They allow you to communicate really easily with your students all in one place. Unlike discussions that are in lessons, communities are open and selected for certain parts of your site where everybody can contribute in like a Facebook type experience. To get to communities, all you need to do is log into your admin dashboard and click Communities. You will be presented with a video. This video can be closed here. It's so easy to create communities on Zenler. Simply click Create Community. For more information on communities, please see the support documentation.